We do like to go ahead and have a great conversation here, but I thought you might want to get to working. So we got a challenge today. What we're going to do in this case is I'm going to challenge you, Steph, to who can create the nicest, coolest design, and we'll let you guys vote on it at the end. What do you think?
But you've tie-dyed before.
Please, sir. I want some more.
She's right there. We've got our contenders ready. You know? I think she's winning so far, but it'll come out in the wash. Wet. Actually, turquoise. All right. Put them in the bag. Meanwhile, they're gonna like the way yours looks better than mine anyway. I'm already sure. And that's it. That's it. We're done for the next 6 to 8 hours.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
I'll be working.
Don't worry. We'll show you what is coming up next. It's gonna feel like it was just yesterday.
Editing.
Editing.